Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to find the center of rotation. First, understand that rotation moves an object around a fixed point without changing its size or shape. We will explore a reliable geometric method using perpendicular bisectors to accurately locate this crucial center. This technique is fundamental for understanding transformations in geometry, and we will break it down into simple, manageable steps for you. To begin, select any point on your original object and its corresponding image point after rotation. Draw a straight line segment connecting these 2 points. Next, you will construct the perpendicular bisector of this line segment. Remember, a perpendicular bisector cuts the segment exactly in half and forms a 90-degree angle with it. This first bisector holds a key clue to our center. Now, repeat the entire process for a second pair of corresponding points. Choose a different point on the original object and its rotated image, then draw another line segment. Construct the perpendicular bisector for this new segment. The point where these 2 perpendicular bisectors intersect is precisely your center of rotation. This intersection is the unique fixed point for the entire transformation. To confirm your center, you can measure the distance from the center to any original point and its image. These distances should be equal. Also, the angle formed by connecting the center to an original point and its image should be consistent for all pairs. Practice these steps with various shapes to master finding the center of rotation effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.